Using pivot points can make or break an animation, whether you're working realistically or with cartoons. So if you're going to animate a character or even machinery, such as a tire or any kind of gears, you need to make sure that the pivot is in the right spot. I'm going to demonstrate this by quickly drawing out an arm. And I'm using a Wacom tablet, which is why I'm able to draw it so accurately. If I were using a regular mouse, I would never, ever be able to draw on a computer. I've tried and failed many times. Alright, now I'm going to marquee select and group this by either choosing Modify Group from the menu or Command Control G on the keyboard. Okay, so if I want to rotate this, I would click the Free Transform tool. And then when I rotate, you see that it's rotating from the center of the symbol. It's not moving according to where it would animate in real life or move in real life. That's because this center point or pivot point is in the wrist area by default. Whenever you create a new object, Flash will automatically place this pivot or center in the middle of the object. So what you can do to change that is watch very carefully the arrow on the screen here. As I move it closer to that pivot point, I now get that same symbol under the arrow, which means I can click and drag it to a new location. So when I try to rotate now, the arm will rotate from its natural pivot. You can always move it again. So if the character is doing a flip or a handstand or something like that, it can animate from here. So the hand will now rotate from the new pivot, which is at the base of the hand.